We've come here today to talk about solutions to the housing crisis, which has gone far beyond being a housing crisis, as bad as that is. It's become an intergenerational crisis. It's become a demographic crisis. So it's something we all need to come together to solve, and the UNSW is a great place to start.
Housing supply and affordability in New South Wales is a wicked problem just because of how many different disciplines are involved in housing, from banking, economics, lending, planning, architecture and design, property, so many different disciplines. And at the other side, housing affects us all. We all live in housing, we spend something like 2/3 of our lives in the home, and so the quality of housing we get is going to have a massive impact on our health and well-being.
For me, I guess the biggest insight is how everything that we've talked about is interconnected, and that we need to take a systems approach if we're going to properly tackle housing affordability and suitability concerns for the country.
I think what's really come out already very clearly is this very powerful connection between the technology of construction and the economics of the housing market. So understanding that modular or prefabricated construction can deliver massive efficiency benefits, but that we're not seeing that really happen in Australia because the prefabricated industry isn't at scale.
There were so many interesting conversations today, and they varied from the quite small, looking at particular components of certain idiosyncratic regulations, all the way up to the kind of bigger picture ideas of economic drivers, of banking, of lending, and of large architectural ideas as well.
So this process was instigated by Lucy Turnbull from the Turnbull Foundation, and she sought out the Innovation Hub to convene a conversation across UNSW about housing supply and affordability in New South Wales. She approached the Innovation Hub because we can design different types of conversations, and she approached us because UNSW has incredible depth and breadth of expertise in this topic across all of its faculties. The Innovation Hub will now take all of that information away and digest it, create new maps and visualizations of that information, and that will help us approach the problem in new ways.